When I woke up this morning, I felt as light as a bird. I opened my eyes. It seemed as if a white light was pouring into my room from the window. I ran to the window right away. Everywhere was pure white snow. It must have snowed all night. The snow I've been waiting for months has even blocked the roads. Mom gave me the good news when she saw me.
Salamun alaikum, my son. It's said that schools are closed today.
Whoa! Is it New Year's holiday?
No, son. We do not celebrate New Year. It's a snow break.
Why not, Mom? Is celebrating New Year a sin?
At that moment, I noticed some activity at the window. It had started snowing again, heavily. I rushed outside with joy. My friends had also been out. We were all enjoying the snow together. Thank Allah. We started throwing snowballs to each other. I missed 2 throws, but I hit the target on the 3rd try. Then we started making a snowman together. We were placing its eyes, nose, and scarf with great joy.
This is a pine tree. Let's decorate it.
We really liked Ferhan's idea. We went back to our homes. We were supposed to bring decoration materials. I was collecting the luminous stars I had stuck on my ceiling when I heard my mother's voice.
Son, what happened? What are you looking for?
Mom, we're going to decorate a pine tree.
This is not a practice that belongs to our religion.
So, why has everyone in the neighborhood decorated a pine tree?
In ancient times, decorating a pine tree was part of pagan culture. Later, it became a tradition unique to Christians' Christmas. And nowadays, it has become a part of the consumerist frenzy imposed on society through shopping malls, movies, and advertisements.
How strange. Everyone in our neighborhood claims to be Muslim. Then why are they celebrating the Christian holiday? I was really confused.
Come on, son. You're very cold. Come have some hot soup.
I was very hungry. I ate whatever my mom put in front of me. My grandfather's eyes were on me at the table. After the meal, he went to his usual spot. In front of the bookshelf, he looked like a book that was almost speaking. He called me to his side as well.
Is something bothering you, my beloved grandson?
Well, yes, Grandpa.
Would you like to talk to me?
Yes, that would be really great, Grandpa. Do you know, why cannot we celebrate New Year too, Grandpa?
It turns out that the answer to this question was very simple. Because my dear Prophet commanded us to do otherwise what Jews and Christians do. My grandfather taught me a very important hadith of our Prophet, peace be upon him. First he said it, then I did.
Whoever corresponds to a people,
Whoever corresponds to a people,
he is one of them.
he is one of them.
Come here. I'll show you something, my grandchild. Almighty Allah decorates the sky and the earth for us every single day of the year. He has beautifully adorned your lovely face with your rosy cheeks and long eyelashes. Why bother decorating a pine tree? He is the one who creates and rules in the most beautiful way. Muslims act according to the Creator's commands on what to do or not to do. Our Prophet warned us about not corresponding to them even outwardly. Trim the mustache, grow the beard. Don't correspond to Jews and Christians, he said.
My grandpa always went to the barber to trim his mustache, but he let his beard grow, so that's why.
Grandpa, when I grow up, I'm going to trim my mustache and grow my beard too.
Oh, mashallah, my son. Inshallah, my grandson. Inshallah. In New Year's, immoral entertainments, debauchery, and nudity emerge. A Muslim is clean. He is respectful to his surroundings. The system consumes the people's wealth by imposing waste through intoxicating drinks, gambling, and unnecessary shopping. However, a Muslim is sane. He looks after those in need. His wealth is blessed as it is untarnished by interest, and he purifies it by giving. They raise their children with the lie of Santa Claus who rides on a flying sleigh pulled by reindeers. We follow our Prophet who tells us not to lie even in jest. While they idolize pine trees, We follow in Abraham's footsteps who destroyed idols. Our prophet informs us that doomsday will not come before their way, being followed step by step, inch by inch.
I thought of our neighbors celebrating New Year's. I felt very sad. My grandfather is a great judge of character. He immediately understood my sadness. He pointed at the stars for me. They looked very beautiful. Our prophet compared his companions to stars in the sky and sent us a message. He said, "No matter which of them you follow, you will find the right path." We are trying to correspond to his companions, not other people's, because Allah is pleased with those who follow them beautifully.
Do you know Anas bin Malik?
Yes, he was a kid just like me, right, Grandpa?
He grew up with our prophet. He is one of the companions who narrated the hadiths to us. Shall I tell you a hadith that he narrated?
I was very curious. I listened to my grandfather carefully. As my grandfather was telling the story, I felt as if I had traveled to the past. It was as if I was wandering in a green city amidst the desert sands. This is Medina. It felt like as if Anas bin Malik was walking ahead of me. Children were playing games, laughing, those playing spear and shield games, and those watching around them gathered there. Everyone looked very happy. It was obviously either Eid al-Adha or Eid al-Fitr.
When the Messenger of Allah came to Medina, there were 2 days that the people celebrated for entertainment. The Prophet asked, "What are these 2 days?" They replied, "These were the days we used to celebrate in the pre-Islamic period." Upon this, the Messenger of Allah said, "Allah has replaced these 2 days with 2 better ones for you, Eid al-Adha and Eid al-Fitr."
Thank Allah. He gave us 2 feasts. During Eid, we play games with friends, collect lots of candies, and receive plenty of allowance. I meet my cousins every Eid. I miss them a lot. I am already looking forward to the Eid.